Welcome to Council Craft Nature YouTube channel. This isn't a fairy tale. It's real. It's called Switzerland. And once you see it, you'll never forget it. Here, the journey is the destination. Trains glide through clouds. Roads bend like brushstrokes. Every turn is a postcard. Snow-capped peaks that kiss the sky. Waterfalls that dive from cliffs. Lakes so clear they reflect your soul. This is where nature paints in 8K before it was invented. It's not just scenery, it's a way of life, simpler, kinder, slower. Here, even the cows seem happier. Beyond the postcards, there are secrets. Hidden lakes or silent valleys. Starry skies untouched by light. You don't just visit Switzerland. You feel it. You breathe cleaner. Think clearer. Smile bigger. Some places change your mood. Switzerland changes your soul. Tag the one person you take here, because everyone deserves to feel this kind of peace. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned with my channel for more adventures.